After months of rumors, Bollywood's favorite couple, Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif, have finally shared their exciting news. On 23rd September, the couple announced that they are expecting their first child. In their heartfelt post, they shared a black and white Polaroid photo where Vicky lovingly cradles Katrina's baby bump. The caption reads, "On our way to start the best chapter of our lives with hearts full of joy and gratitude." Naturally, their announcement was met with a flood of love and congratulations from fans and celebrities alike. Everyone is so happy for them as they prepare for this new chapter of their lives. But here's the twist. A screenshot of a post by Salman Khan has gone viral, showing him congratulating Vicky and Katrina on Instagram. It appears to show Salman sharing their pregnancy announcement photo with a simple message, "Hush congratulations," followed by a red heart emoji. However, before you jump to conclusions, this post is not real. Salman Khan hasn't shared anything like this on his official Instagram. In fact, he hasn't commented on the couple's post either. For some context, Salman and Katrina were rumored to be in a relationship in the mid-2000s. They were together for several years but never confirmed it officially. After their breakup in 2009, they remained close friends, supporting each other in both personal and professional lives. Salman and Katrina have continued their professional bond, starring together in hits like Tiger Zinda Hai and the recent Tiger 3. As for Vicky and Katrina, their fans are over the moon about their pregnancy announcement, and we can't wait to see this beautiful couple become parents. So, while the fake post may have caused a little confusion, the real news is clear. Vicky and Katrina are expecting their first baby, and we couldn't be happier for them. What do you think about their pregnancy announcement? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Ahaan Pandey, the rising Bollywood star, is truly making waves. Known for his breakout role in Saiyara opposite Aneet Padda, Ahaan has become an overnight sensation. The film, directed by Mohit Suri, hit theaters on 18th July and became an instant hit, grossing a whopping 577 crore rupees worldwide. One of the most memorable scenes from the movie is when Ahaan's character, Krish Kapoor, shares a sweet moment with Vani Batra, played by Aneet Padda. As Vani prepares to leave, Krish gently holds her arm and says, "Abhi bhi kuch paal baki hai mere paas." This line melted everyone's hearts and became an iconic part of the film. Well, Ahaan recently recreated this very scene during a fan meet, and the internet is absolutely loving it. The video, which shows Ahaan exuding the same charm and charisma as Krish, has gone viral. The fan in the video looks spellbound, and fans online can't stop gushing. Fans have flooded the comments section with reactions like, "You achieved every Krish Kapoor's fangirl moment," and "OMG this is so cute, dream moment." Another fan wrote, "He's so dreamy," while someone else said, "Pinch me moment and how." Before Saiyara was released, Ahaan and Aneet stayed away from the limelight. No interviews, no public appearances. But once the film hit theaters, their on-screen chemistry captured hearts everywhere. Directed by Mohit Suri, Saiyara explores love, loss, struggle, and sacrifice. It's a story of unconditional love and the emotional ups and downs between Krish and Vani. And with Ahaan and Aneet's unforgettable performances, it quickly became the highest-grossing romantic film in Indian cinema. Ahan Pandey's star is definitely on the rise, and with moments like this, it's clear that fans can't get enough of him. What do you think of this adorable recreation? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite Bollywood stars. Twinkle Khanna is back with her new talk show Too Much, and she's joined by the amazing Kajol as co-host. The very first episode features none other than Bollywood icons Aamir Khan and Salman Khan, who sit down to talk about their careers, personal lives, and the unique bond they've shared over the years. During the conversation, Aamir opened up about how their friendship truly grew stronger during a difficult phase in his life, his divorce from Reena Datta. Actually, I think it happened when I went through my divorce with Reena. You remember? You had come over for dinner, and that's when Salman and I first actually connected properly, Aamir shared. He also reflected on their early days working together on the cult classic Andaz Apna Apna, 1994, and admitted he was quite judgmental of Salman in the beginning. Because before that I used to feel कि भाई टाइम पे नहीं आता, हमको बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती थी अंदाज अपना अपना में. I want to say something. सलमान में बहुत judgmental था यार, शुरू में ना. I was very judgmental in the beginning. I was very hard as a person, Aamir said candidly. Salman, in turn, opened up about his past relationships, sharing honest insights into the challenges partners face. When a partner grows more than the other partner, that is when the differences start coming in, that's when the insecurity starts setting in, so they both need to grow together. Both need to get off each other's backs. I believe that, Salman explained. When asked about his past relationships, Salman was straightforward. Yaar nahi jama to nahi jama. If it didn't work, it just didn't work out. If there is anyone to blame, I am the one to blame, he said, taking responsibility for the outcome with maturity. Looking ahead, Salman also shared his hopes about fatherhood. Children, I will have, one day, soon, it's just that eventually one will have kids, but let's see, he revealed. This candid and heartfelt episode of Too Much promises to be a treat for fans, featuring some never-before-heard stories and warm conversations between two of Bollywood's biggest stars, hosted by Twinkle Khanna and Kajol. Diljit Dosanjh and Sonam Bajwa's comedy film Sardar Ji 3, which also stars Pakistani actress Hania Amir, was banned in India following the Pahalgam tragedy. The decision by the makers to go ahead with an international release sparked a major backlash, even leading to calls for a boycott of the Punjabi singer-actor. During a recent concert, he addressed the issue and reiterated that the film was shot prior to the terrorist attack in Kashmir that had shaken the country. A clip purportedly featuring Diljit has gone viral on social media, where he speaks about the controversy. In the video, Diljit can be seen paying respect to the tricolour before pausing his performance to address the backlash. Speaking in Punjabi, He stated, "My film Sardar G3 was shot in February when the matches were being played. After that, the tragic Pahalgam terror attack happened. At that time, and even now, we have always prayed that the terrorists should receive strict punishment. I stand with my country. The matches have happened after the tragedy. There's a lot of difference between this and my film. It was shot earlier but the matches happened later." He added, "The national media tried their best to portray me as anti-national, but Punjabis and the Sikh community could never go against the nation." However, Zoom was unable to officially verify the authenticity of the video. In June, the team of Sardar G3 faced criticism for casting Pakistani actress Hania Amir, despite the ongoing ban following the Pahalgam attack. The Federation of Western India Cine Employees twice labelled it an anti-national act and even demanded the revocation of citizenship for those involved, including Diljit. A letter was also sent to the makers of Border 2, requesting the removal of Dosanjh from the patriotic film. At the time, Diljit had explained that the decision to proceed with an international release was made by the producers as their investment was at stake. Karishma Kapoor's children, Samaira and Kian, are locked in a legal battle with their stepmother, Priya Kapoor, over the late Sanjay Kapoor's massive estate, reportedly worth around 30,000 crore rupees. The dispute has now reached the Delhi High Court, raising some important questions about confidentiality and transparency. The latest hearing focused on Priya Kapoor's request to keep details of Sanjay Kapoor's personal assets and liabilities under a sealed cover or within a restricted confidentiality club. However, the court expressed serious concerns over this. Justice Jyoti Singh, who is hearing the case, said, "Allowing the application may be problematic for the simple reason that as the alleged beneficiary of the estate, they, Karishma's children Samaira Kapoor and Kian Raj Kapoor, have a right to question the assets disclosed. So, tomorrow if they have to verify and go about asking what has happened, if they are bound by this confidentiality club, how will they ever defend their case?" On the other hand, Priya Kapoor's lawyer argued that confidentiality is necessary due to the sensitive nature of the information. The lawyer said, "There are bank details, other financial details. Why should the public have someone's bank account number?" She added that after previous hearings, press conferences were being held, and the case was attracting too much public attention. The dispute began when Samaira and Kian challenged their late father's will, claiming that as his children, they are entitled to a share of his vast estate. Earlier this month, the Delhi High Court directed Priya Kapoor to provide a complete list of Sanjay Kapoor's assets. The recent hearing focused on how those details should be shared, whether openly, in sealed documents, or with limited access. The court did not make a final decision during Thursday's hearing. The case is ongoing and will continue with further hearings scheduled for Friday. As this high-profile family dispute unfolds, we'll keep you updated on all the latest developments. Stay tuned for more.